Well, moment of truth is here. It's time to put the roof on. I've been putting it off because I have no idea what I'm doing. Never done this before. And of course, the first time I put a roof on, it has to be on a hexagon. So, real roofers, you might want to look away. This is not gonna be pretty. But hey, we're here for a learning experience. Okay, well, we'll just see whatever works. And we have the beginnings of a roof. I gotta say, that is the best roof I have ever built. We're not gonna talk about it being the only one. Yeah. Ignore that. Okay. This is going to be the top piece. I'd like to be able to claim that it looks this good on the other side, but I had to make that weird, call it an adapter, a custom adapter, because I apparently can't put in post perfectly straight. Oh well, no, it's my first time trying. Lessons learned. Anyways, what matters is that everything fits. This thing covers it all up, and I'm gonna make everything transition smooth enough, and we're gonna move on from this. It's gonna be okay. I apologize once again to those who actually know what they're doing, that you had to see that. I'm sorry. Hey, so it's been about a month since the last time I was able to record anything, and really, since I've been able to do any real work on the rocket. I have done a little bit, as you can see here. I put in some brace pieces, some 4x4s I cut to support that corner between the roof beams, the angled beams, and the post. But that's a total of 6 pieces that I put in the last month. So like I said, it's been pretty busy, but I'm getting back on it today. I got some time. So I'm going to be putting in pieces of wood between the beams to fill out that triangular section of each of the quadrants. Terminology, words. Anyways, you know what I'm saying, hopefully. If not, then join the club. Anyways, so I want to be able to attach plywood to this, so I'm just filling in some lateral supports so that I can screw the plywood into them, and we can move forward with actually closing off the roof. So anyways, let's get to it. Okay, so this tar that we're working with to put down the tar paper, that is really messy, really sticky, so you want to make sure that you are really careful about where it's going and you don't let it get all over you. You know what they say, you can always tell how good of a roofer somebody is by how clean their hands are. Yeah, I guess that tracks. Well, in case you do get your hands covered in this stuff, one helpful tip is find somebody that you can trick into shaking your hand or giving you a high five. Hey kid! Well, here you go. That is the roof. Obviously, since the last film, I added a little bit extra. I used something called flash band right here, just to make sure that I was able to get a flashing that conformed well. It's like a sticky aluminum-backed tape. Basically, it's just tape, but it is weatherproof. So that's up there to make sure that no water gets in. And then here you can see I have a solar panel. The reason for the solar panel is that there's going to be lighting on the inside. There is lighting. Just like one of those security lights that either does motion activated or will just stay on for a certain amount of time. And anyways, that way the kids will have light when it's dark outside. But yep, the roof is finished.
Hey, just a final editing note. Pretty much the day after I finished this roof, the area got hit by a pretty heavy storm, and I grabbed a little bit of video of that, and I even recorded inside. I'll show that in a second.
Well, it is not the prettiest roof, I will definitely give you that. But at least it works where it counts. If you can see the pretty heavy rainfall, you can hear it, but there is not a single leak in sight. So it's like me, it may be ugly, but it is not worthless. So at least there's that.
Of course, I didn't realize just how strong that storm was going to be. It ended up turning into a tornado that passed through town. Luckily, there was no damage to my house or anyone near me, and the damage that was done was relatively minor. So, me being new to the world of tornadoes, I suppose, was caught off guard, but I'm sure for a seasoned veteran, it was nothing really to mention. But my rocket forts survived it without losing any shingles, so that was at least a good positive coming out of it. Anyways.